Makhosi. Ngiyanibingelela nina lapha emakhaya. Igedla lamashkrishkri leli inyanga yamakhosi, and I welcome you guys to another installment of a segment of the new offering from Kemi TV. Last episode sikhulume ngama-product wabafazi to assist them in terms of cosmetically and to assist them with also inner issues. Kodwa just because we did that episode akusho ukuthi sesisikhohliwe insizwa amaqhawe wethu. Wena qhawe lami onenkinga ey'hlukahlukile, just as ngi-explainile in the previous episode, we do a survey sibheke ukuthi male customers or female customers that contact us regarding iy'nkinga ey'hlukahlukile yiziphi ezigqamayo, and which should we develop products for, instead of ukuthi nje imithi ihlale la endumbeni, sikhiphe ukuthi abantu bazi ukuthi ikhona le mithi le. So in that way maqhawe wami asinikhohlwanga. Just as there is a divine feminine catalog of women products, we do have man's shamanic herbal remedies. Like I said in the previous episode, angifuni ukugeqa amagula. I don't want these episodes to drag on and be 30 minutes. So if I miss any information, when uyangithinta uyasho ukuthi mkhulu mina inkinga yami ime ngale ndlela le, bese mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi yebo izokusebenzela lento oyibonile othi uyayifuna noma angeke ikusebenzele. A lot of men occupy, kuyaziwa lokhu, a lot of men occupy seats of power. Wena who occupies a seat of power, yet you having a challenge in terms of your employees ukuthi bathobele umthetho, ukuthi bakulalele, ukuthi bakusabe, because your structure and your makeup is perhaps physically weak or awunasithunzi. Wena othi mkhulu, ngisebenza as a team leader mkhulu, I work as a manager mkhulu, I work as a CEO. Ngifuna into ezongiphakamisa isithunzi ukuthi when I'm in meetings, my word flies above the others. Mkhulu, ngaba nani enganabungozi ukuthi ungicake ungangenzi yonke le nyakanyaka nemilingo eniyenzayo niyinyanga uma niphakamisa isithunzi somholi. Sithi wena mholi, wena ophethe abantu, take Lionheart Elixir. Wathathe lamafutha Khehla, wathathe lamafutha. This particular oil activates, or rather empowers, your magnetic field and increases the energy of the divine masculine in it. Wena ofuna ukuthi kuzwakale ukuthi kunendoda la ekhaya, abafazi abalaleli ushade isithembu noma umfazi uyakudelela, kodwa awufune ukumdlisa, sithi take this oil, take Lionheart Elixir, uyisebenzise to increase your confidence mkhulu, to increase your physical presence emsebenzini nasekhaya, ukuthi makunemicimbi bangaloku bakuyenza u-ice boy. It assists in subtle attraction of the female. Like you know, mkhulu Seda la ekhaya likes to add spiritual elements to le mithi le ayithakayo. I am improving daily, yingakho ngiphuma ngihamba to increase my strength, to renew my strength, to renew my knowledge and increase my knowledge, ukuze ngiyenzele into ezosebenza, into ezocacisa, ishintshe izinto. Take this elixir, take this attraction oil, the Lionheart Elixir, in order ukuthi wena uma uyinduna kuzwakale ukuthi induna ifikile. Bakwethu 550, thola amafutha wakho uwathathe uhambe uyowasebenzisa. Uhambe uyowasebenzisa, ungaloku ugijima ey'nyangeni uloku ufuna ukuthi bakugcabe ngamafutha ebhubesi, ngoba angeke bakugcabe ngamafutha ebhubesi one day bazokucabanga ngezizwe uxakeke, kodwa asikho lapho. And then we have an issue bakwethu, asike sikhulumeni as amadoda. This issue must be spoken about. As sensitive as it is, ads play on TV. I-subject yetotozi el-malfunctionayo. Itotozi alifuni ukuvuka, itotozi liyavuka kodwa liyantengantenga lithambile. Itotozi liyavuka bese liyawa. You having erectile dysfunction. men have come bathi mkhulu ngifuna impesu ezosebenza isebenze ngempela ingelaphe futhi kule issue kule nkinga enginayo ngithi come let's have a discussion ngibone ukuthi angeke ngikhone ukukunika imbiza yethu our root fire tonic. Our root fire tonic, actually this blend supports blood flow. It supports testosterone levels ngoba in order for you to want to mate, your testosterone levels have to be at a certain amount ukuze uvukelwe, ukuze uqine, ukuze ube ne-desire to mate with the female. Right? You use it to ukuthi uqine lokhu okubanga inkinga, lokhu okuvike ukuthi itotozi lingaphakami. So we consult and we get your medical history sibone ukuthi kule mithi esiyifakile la ikhona imithi that targets the specific issue that could be causing you erectile dysfunction, whether it's mental or whether it's physical. Sithi kuwe thatha i-root fire tonic, thatha imbiza, thatha le mpesu mkhulu, ithathe lento ayinabungozi, ubuyisa amandla emshadweni wakho. Umshado wakho soyaphela Kefa. Wena makufika isikhathi sokuthi uye enkonzweni yasekamereni umama ugcoke ilingerie, Friday ziyakhala awuvuki kusasa, you don't have a good excuse. So wena uthatha ishower for 3 hours, izibande mpo ungaphumi eshawini ngoba ufuna ukuthi azumeke loya ukuze uzophuma uzovala ihlazo lokuthi intotozi ayiphakami. Take root fire tonic, ithathe and the mix of herbs from honey goat weed to maca root. We've mixed eastern herbs, we've mixed southern herbs to create lembiza for wena. Ithathe mkhulu, umshado wakho uzobuya ube nempilo. Angeke kusetshenziswa ama-oil nembiza nje kuphela, kungabi nento yokugeza for nina maqhawe wabo ukuze nginisize ngey'nkinga eniba nazo. Now we have noticed ukuthi a lot of men have an issue endabeni yokushela, endabeni yokuthola besifazane. Yebo, the oil that we offered at the beginning iyasiza mayelana lokhu, but it's not specifically to abantu besifazane. As you know, I did discontinue ukwenza umuthi wey'ntombi due to the issues it was giving me. However, we have come up with umuthi owokugeza onamandla in order for you to be assisted in the attraction of the opposite sex. Lo muthi siwubiza ngokuthi i-Lion Heart Bath, Masculine Power and Attraction Herbal Bath or Herbal Soak. This assists you in your magnetism. This assists you in your attractive aura. When people, abantu aba-understand, masikhuluma nge-aura bacabanga ukuthi sikhuluma nge-magic. Come to your senses. Masikhuluma la ku-Kemi TV, we are always speaking spiritual science, into ekhona ukuchazeka in pseudo science or scientific terms. Your heart emits, proven in science, your heart emits a magnetic field. It's proven otherwise. It's actual scientific fact. In spirituality, that specific magnetic field is called your aura. Uma sithi kuwe, this specific bath increases the attraction of your aura. It increases the divine masculine energy in it to draw the opposite sex, to draw the feminine towards you. Asikhulumi ngento that is make believe, cha sikhuluma ngento enjalo. Umuntu ogezile uma afika kuwe azama ukukhuluma nawe afaka ama-perfume, you're more willing to talk to him because that person is hygienic. Ngaleyo ndlela they make you comfortable ukuthi ukhulume nabo. Kodwa in the case of ukuthi umuntu uyanukunuka amakhwapha, umuntu unuka umlomo, you will not be comfortable to converse with that person. Yingakho you will shy away. Likewise, when your aura is impure, when your aura doesn't have that extra boost to attract ukudonsa, then you will experience iy'nkinga ezinjalo ezifana nokuthi abantu besifazane bangakufuni. Wena akusumuthi wokuthi udonse abantu besifazane ngenkani ngesilwane. Lona umuthi wokuthi your aura must, when you go to a woman, you have likelihood of a chance of attracting her, for her to develop an interest in you, ukuze things progress to the next level. Bakwethu, this particular soak or this particular bath is 450. Contact us 061 178 1304. Wena ofuna umuthi wey'ntombi but ofuna usafe ukuthi ungagcatshwa ufake izizwe izinto zokuhlanyisa abantwana babantu. Yekela amadliso. If umuntu whom your feminine other, your other partner has lost interest, yekela amadliso. Take the herbal bath, take Lionheart bath ukuze uthando luvuthe futhi emakhosini. Bakwethu ngithanda ngothando kaMvelincane. If there's any questions you have, please, if you see shorts on TikTok, you see shorts on Facebook, wherever you see us, DM us, contact us, send us WhatsApps, and we will get back to you. That's how you contact us. You don't contact any other number. Like, share, subscribe. Umkhulusader lo igedla lamasikisku umprofeti wenu Oshamun ngithi ngithanda ngothando kaMvelincane ase